Hello, this is my 2016 Skoda Yati, and this door was completely stuck. It wasn't opening from the inside or from the outside. All the other doors were fine apart from this door, which wasn't opening. So today I'm going to show you how to open the door and access the latch to get it changed. To access the door to get it open, so you enter from the other side, and I have removed this door seal around it. Just pull it off and it will come off. And to access the latch, you can see right through there, I used a long strong screwdriver to undo the latch. You just put that screwdriver underneath the latch and just raise it up, it will open. If it doesn't open, which in my case wasn't opening, so I used the hammer with the screwdriver. I beat it a few times and it did open. Even if it breaks, you still get the door open, as we are going to change the door latch and you don't need it anymore. After I opened the door, so we had to remove this door panel in order to access the door latch. So to remove the door panel, we have one screw here, right here, which we opened, and remove this handle cover, and there are two bolts, one here and one is up here. So we open that as well, and they just pull this door panel off and it will come off. And after that, we open these two bolts and remove the cable for this handle and for the handle outside, and the door latch was completely free, which we took out and changed it, and now the door is completely working. Thank you very much for watching.